Hello students, welcome to our E.V.S class. Today we were doing our lesson number 2, what I wear, and yesterday we have learned about how cloth is made. In this we have learned about 3 methods: spinning, weaving and knitting. I hope you have gone through the video and have understood everything. Plus we have learned about the process of dyeing, the process of coloring, that is dyeing, what is dyeing and how it is done. Plus there are 2 types of dyes: natural dyes and chemical dyes. Natural dyes are obtained from plants and vegetables, and chemical dyes are obtained from chemicals. Plus I have given you some questions for homework, so let's discuss those questions. So question number 1 was, what is spinning and weaving? I'm telling you the answers, and with this we are also recapitulating our lesson that we have read yesterday. So question number 1 was, what is spinning and weaving? Spinning is a process through which cotton balls are converted into yarn, and weaving is a process by which two sets of threads are crossed two sets of threads are crossed together on a machine, and this process converts the thread into a fabric. So our next question was, what is dyeing and how it is done? Dyeing is a process of coloring a piece of cloth by using colored dyes. And how it is done? Uh, the cloth are soaked in solution of hot water and colored dyes. This is how it is done. And question number 3 was, how many types of dyes are there? Name them. So there are 2 types of dyes: natural dyes and chemical dyes. So let's start today's class. Today we will learn about various designs and patterns made on cloth using different methods. And our first method is tie and dye. This method is used for creating various designs and patterns on cloth. And now how it is done. So I am showing you a picture so that you will get to know how it is done. In this method, first we will take a piece of cloth, and then small portions of cloth are tied in any pattern of our choice. See, the thread is tied over here, here and here and here. Now we will put this cloth as it is in a solution of hot water and colored dyes, and when we will take it out, it will look like this. And when we will take that cloth out, it will look like this. The color will appear, and then we will keep that cloth for drying. And after drying, we will take out the thread from it, and we will see a pattern like this. That means where the thread is tied, there the cloth will remain colorless from there, and the cloth where thread is not tied, it will get colored. So in this method, first we will take a piece of cloth, and then small portions of cloth is tied with a thread, and then we will put this cloth in a solution of hot water and colored dyes. And when we will take it out, we will keep it for drying. We will keep it sometime for drying, and after some time what we will see, and after taking it out, we will keep it for drying. Then after that we will take out the thread, and then what we will see, that the portion where the thread is tied will remain colorless, and the and the rest of the portion will get colored. So this is a method of tie and dye. This is how tie and dye is done. Tie and dye method is practiced widely in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Our next, our next method is block printing. Yes, next is block printing. In this, what we need a wooden block. See the block? This is of wood. Yes, wooden blocks are created on which various designs are carved. See the designs? Different designs are carved on a wooden block, and then different colors are applied on the surface of the block. See the green color on the surface of the block? You can apply any color on it, blue, red, and after this block is then pressed upon a piece of cloth. This is a piece of cloth. Then this block is pressed upon a piece of cloth to create patterns. See the designs? The design will come as same as the block. Next figure. Similarly, this is a wooden block, and in this different, and on it different design is carved, and when we press this block upon a cloth of piece, then this block will make the same design on the cloth. See the design? This is how block printing is done. Yes, next is kalamkari. If we break kalamkari, then it will become kalam plus kari, and kalam means pen. In this method, a special pen or kalam is used to create patterns on cloth. This process is used in painting and printing. Now I will show you kalamkari printing. In kalamkari painting, a special pen or kalam, see, a special pen or kalam is used to create patterns on cloth. This is how kalamkari is done. Next is batik. In this technique, wax and dye are used to create different patterns on cloth. Before dyeing the cloth, hot wax is put in some parts of the cloth, and then the cloth is put in a dye tub, and when it is taken out from the dye tub, and when the wax gets cools down, so then the wax is removed, and what we will see that the part which has wax remains the same, and rest of the part will get colored. So a beautiful pattern is formed in the portions where dye does not flow into. So this is how batik is done. See, before dyeing the cloth, a hot wax is put in some parts of the cloth. See, the white part, it was covered with the wax, and then the cloth is put in a dye tub, and when we will take it out and make the wax cool down, then we will remove the wax. See, he is removing the wax, and what we will see that the part which has wax doesn't get colored, and the rest of the part gets dyed. So this is how batik is done. Next is embroidery. Embroidery is one of the common method used to create patterns on a piece of cloth. It is created by hand using colorful threads. Nowadays, machines are also used for embroidery. The type of embroidery vary from one state to another. That means each state has a each state has a special type of embroidery. For example, chicken curry belongs to Uttar Pradesh, fulkari belongs to Punjab, katha belongs to West Bengal. So these are the different types of embroideries famous in different states. This is chicken curry embroidery and belongs to Uttar Pradesh. This is fulkari and it belongs to Punjab. This is katha which belongs to West Bengal. So these are the different types of embroideries famous in different states. Now I am telling you about stitched and unstitched garments, or you can say stitched and unstitched clothes. When we buy a cloth from a market, it is called unstitched garment. And when we give it to the tailor to get it stitched, then we will get stitched garments. So examples of stitched garments are salwar suits, kurta pajamas, and examples of unstitched garments are saris and dhotis. So with this, our lesson number 2 is completed. Now let's do some exercise part. So give one word answers. Okay. Name the process in which a piece of cloth is made using wool. So answer is knitting. Give one example of a natural dye. Indigo. If from indigo we get blue color, from spinach we get green color, and from beetroot we get red color. So so and any one example we can give from these three. So one example of a natural dye can be indigo or spinach or beetroot. Next question is, name the process of creating patterns on cloth using wooden blocks. Answer is block printing. And question number 4 is, name the process in which a column is used to create designs on a piece of cloth. A column is used. So answer is kalamkari. And next question is, name the type of embroidery practiced in Punjab. So answer is fulkari. So with this we are done with exercise part. Now I am giving you some questions for homework. So question number 1 is, name the method in which wax and dye are used to create different patterns on cloth. I am repeating the questions. Name the method in which wax and dye are used to create different patterns on cloth. And question number 2 is, name the type of embroidery practiced in Uttar Pradesh. Question number 3 is, name 2 stitched garments. And question number 4 is, name 2 unstitched garments. So these 4 questions I am giving you in homework. So be ready with the answers tomorrow. That's all for today. Thank you.